Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A4 Sport Avant. The car's got the Xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights and also the front and rear parking sensors. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, the car's got the 17-inch wide spoke design alloy wheels, chrome surrounds on the exterior windows and also the chrome roof bars, with a full power tailgate at the rear parking sensors as mentioned earlier on, and also the single chrome polished exhaust. This is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving around to the front of the vehicle, the car's got the front sports cloth seats with a 3-spoke multifunctional sports steering wheel, which is finished with the black leather. Light and range sensors, which includes the automatic headlights and automatic wipers, with the cruise control, 6-speed manual gearbox with electronic handbrake, 3-zone digital climate control and Audi's navigation. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A4, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.